In today's episode, I'm at this abandoned reservoir called Embalse de Algeciras, located in Spain. What makes this place so special is the calm turquoise water surrounded by the white mountains, and there's just nobody here. The whole valley opens up in front of you. This place is perfect for hiking, photography, or for a nice swim. The drive here is easy. Even though the signs say no entrance, the local authorities are nice and there's a viewing point. I would recommend to bring some water, a bit of sunscreen and good hiking shoes if you want to reach the water. The best time to visit is in spring from April until June, or in autumn between September and October. Come early in the morning for a quiet, soft start of the day, or visit in the late afternoon when the sun paints everything in warm golden light. Thanks for watching. I'm a new content creator, so your help to grow this channel is enormous. Please hit that like button, subscribe, or leave a comment below. If you have any suggestions for my video, I would more than love to get them from you. Please write it in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to look at my other videos. And look which hidden gem you've missed and can go to. This is Hidden, thanks for watching.